All right, guys, so we have liftoff here. We have liftoff, as I said before. Look at this. It's showing me numbers. That's exactly what I need. Again, kids, don't try this at home. I can get away with stuff that most people can't get away with because of how my hands get super sweaty, which is why I prefer fist bumps and not the, fist bumps and not the good old handshake. Anyway, this is now hot, really hot. And so later on I can try doing some soldering, and this is great news, guys, great news. This one that came in is actually functioning. Hooray. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm glad that the second one that came in, the first one that came in, was busted. This one is working, so hooray! Thank you, Amazon, for fixing that for me. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey